Hey guys, Rob from Night Solutions Canada. We just realized that we sell a ton of marking devices on our site, and even sometimes we get confused about which unit does what and comes with what features, etc., etc. So we're going to take this opportunity to run through them all for you guys, give you guys some clarity when you're looking for some type of marking device, either for your helmet or for your person. So let's just dive into all things Blinky. So first on deck here is the S&S Precision Mantis Strobe. This is a very popular marking unit. It's very well established in military and law enforcement circles, so it probably looks very familiar to you. It works off a single CR123 and it offers haptic feedback between the modes so the operator knows if they're on IR or visible light. Now we do sell multiple units of the Mantis Strobe. Basically each model has a different function or colorway. So we have one that's IR and green overt. We also have one that's IR low, IR high, and white overt. We also have one that's IR low, IR high, green overt, and then green and white overt. We have an IR low, IR high, blue overt, and then blue plus white overt. Finally, we have an IR and red overt. Next on the S&S Precision list, again, another very recognizable marking unit. This is the S&S Precision V-Lite. Almost legacy at this point in time. Came out quite some time ago, but still very, very much in use and popular within military, law enforcement, even just civilian crowds. It's very flexible, which makes it convenient for mounting to whatever surface offers a loop field to attach this to. Now, one thing to note, it is considered a consumable. You can't change the batteries on this, much like you can on, say, something like the S&S Precision Manta. So it's considered a use and throw away unless you want to do some home surgery and replace the battery yourself. Now, much like the Mantis Strobe, this comes in multiple variants depending on your use case. So here at Night Solutions, we carry the multicolor one, which this one is. We also carry the blue, the green, the red, and the IR versions. Now, all of these offer a constant steady lighting state as well as flashing modes. Now, continuing with the trend of S&S Precision products, these are their newest markers. These are called the Mark SB, and they come in two variations, the Adventure and the Tactical. And the difference there is the features they offer in terms of the colors and IR modes, etc., etc. Now, when looking at them, you can always tell the Adventure because it comes in black and the Tactical comes in a tan color. Both are programmable for their color options and brightness and flash effects, so fully programmable. So both versions of the Mark SB also come with a PALS or MOLLE clip. This is the tactical tan version. The clip on the Adventure version is black, and this allows you to, again, if you don't want to put it on a helmet or don't have a helmet to put it on, you can attach it to anything that has PALS or some sort of webbing strap to attach the clip to. Now, as for colors, and that's where the biggest difference between these two are, the Adventure colors are programmable for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, white, purple, and pink. And when it comes to the tactical colors, the programs are IR low, IR high, green steady, and then green with a white strobe. You also have IR, blue, red, green, and red with a green strobe or green flash. The tactical also has haptic feedback, or it vibrates when you're switching between visible and IR modes, again, to give the operator a tactile sort of notification of what mode they're on without looking at it themselves. Both of these units, okay, unlike the V-Lite, even though these are smaller than the Mantis Strobe, these are not considered consumable like the V-Lite. You can change the batteries. These are powered by two CR2032s. And again, all you do is open up the compartment, replace those batteries, and you're good to go. All right, jumping manufacturers here over to Core Survival. These are the Core Survival Hellstar 6 Gen 3 Plus. These are another very, very popular professional marking unit for military and law enforcement units. They come in both tan and black. It's praised for its simple switch-based operation. You've got the switch up front for visual or IR light, and then at the back you've got your different modes or program settings. The Hellstar 6 is powered by one CR123, much like the Mantis Strobe. Now, the two models that we sell here at Night Solutions Canada, one comes with green plus white flash, IR flash, and IR high flash. And the other model comes with green flash, red flash, IR low flash, and IR steady. So last but not least is this little guy. This is the Unity Tactical Spark. This is a small, super simple marker. It's one button operation. It is a consumable, again, much like the S&S Precision V-Lite. You cannot change the batteries in this. Once it's done, throw it out, grab a new one. Luckily, it is very affordable. It's priced to be a consumable. Now, each model of the Unity Tactical Spark defines what kind of color operation that it operates in, okay? So we have an IR version, a red version, and a green version. Now, in terms of different modes of those lights operating, each unit offers low, high, and flash modes. Well, that essentially covers the entire gamut of marking devices out there in the market. We sell all of these on our site, basically one to cover every budget and need that one might have. If you guys do have any additional comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. We'll get back to you on those, or reach out to us via email. Again, we'd love to help. And otherwise, guys, until next time, thank you so much for spending some time with me. Cheers.